Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Toyota Yaris LE in ice cold. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 30061G.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.